What's up guys? We're ready for our ridge liner. Oi. Tara. Oh, doon eh. Narataw ng ano? Line. Linya na. Let's go. Delayed 1.5 fucking hours. Gabi ka delayed na. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Huh? Oh.
Hi guys.
Hello.
Have you guys been on the ride before?
No, this is our first time.
Everyone's okay with heights and speeds?
Height and speeds? Yes.
You're not driving, you'll be fine.
Yeah.
Just so you know, we are on a brief delay. For the moment, there's something going on at one of our other attractions, so we've just had to stop running. It's not going to be very long, and then they're just going to start moving again, okay?
All right.
The lineup is over an hour long, though. You guys are okay with that?
Over an hour long?
Yes.
Oof.
It's okay.
Wow. It's okay?
We don't have a choice.
Yeah, of course.
Perfect.
Okay.
Just make sure everyone watches that safety video. It'll tell you everything you need to know about how to keep yourself safe and have fun, okay?
Ah, okay. Sample.
Can you go there and cup your shirt? Stand up there, big and tall.
Yay!
Okay. Just make sure you watch that safety video on your way. Si Dongdong.
Ito, tatay niya. Delay oh. Sa kaadlaw og tunga. Sa kaadlaw og tunga. Delay sa kaadlaw og tunga ako ani lihok. Laina ani ang style ay kabalo lang yug ko. Ano kawa. Sunod maganhit dari dapat mga alas 7 palas buntag. So good na ta.
All day dyan mo ba?
Kanang all day gyud ang pass ba? Dapat oh, hi vlog. What's up daw? Hi vlog. Hi vlog. Ah, gabi isog kayo ba? Isog mo ni mga isog nga bata. Oh.
Ay, tama.
Oh. Ipa-drive ang